Good morning, students. Last class we have seen about the topic virus and bacteria. What is virus? What is virus? It's a biological puzzle. So next one, bacteria. What is bacteria? Bacteria are infective agent. It is very larger than virus. What is the main characters involved in the bacteria and virus? In today's class we are discussing about the new topic, gram staining procedure. What is the meaning of gram staining technique? What is the use of the gram staining? Gram staining is used to differentiate the group of bacteria. Okay, bacteria is two type of bacteria is present. First one, gram positive bacteria. Another one, gram negative type of bacteria is present. First one, gram positive type of bacteria. Gram positive type bacteria. So another one, gram negative type bacteria. Gram negative type bacteria. Okay, so what is the use main is to differentiate the two large groups of bacteria. So difference of cell wall constituents. Okay, mainly based on the division cell wall constitution. The cell wall வச்சு தான் bacteria வந்து பாசிட்டிவா or gram நெகட்டிவா அப்படிங்கல ஐடென்டிஃபிகேஷன் பண்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? So the first one, the gram staining procedure. What is a gram staining? First என்ன செய்வாங்கன்னா prepare a smear of bacterial culture. What is the meaning of smear na? First one, you take the any one bacteria, for example E. coli bacteria or another bacteria, Vibrio cholerae bacteria or tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria, any one bacteria first you take. Okay, smear na the bacteria oda smear chinna or take a glass slide. Okay, for the prepare a smear of bacterial culture. The bacteria or chinna small light smear, it is a very light smear வந்து இப்படி பண்ணுவாங்க, smear பண்ணிட்டு. So next one, add some stains. What are the stain with crystal violet for 30 seconds. The stain name crystal violet. What is the stain name? Crystal violet. இந்த stain வந்து add பண்ணி stain with 30 seconds அப்படியே வச்சிருப்பாங்க. So next என்ன செய்வாங்கன்னா rinse in the distilled water for 2 seconds. Okay, so 30 after 30 seconds rinse in the distilled water for 2 seconds. 2 seconds distilled water ஊத்தி rinse பண்ணிடுவாங்க அது அப்படியே. So next technique என்னன்னா gram iodine for 1 minute. What is the use of the gram iodine? Gram iodine it helpful the fixation of crystal violet in the bacteria. The crystal violet the bacteria la and the fixation ஆக help பண்றதா எதுனா the iodine. So gram iodine is added for 1 minute. Okay, so next rinse with the distilled water. So again after adding gram iodine, so next rinse with the distilled water the bacteria smear. So next wash in 95% of ethanol or alcohol. Okay, ethanol or alcohol for 10 to 30 seconds. Next என்ன சொல்றாங்க அந்த ஸ்லைட் அப்படியே, for example this is a small slide. Bacterial smear is present in the smear. This is a bacterial smear. Okay, first add the crystal violet 30 seconds. So next rinse in the distilled water for 2 seconds. அப்படியே wash பண்ணிட்டு next add some gram iodine for 1 minute. Okay, next rinse with the distilled water. Okay, next we add the washing the 95% of ethanol or alcohol for 10 to 30 seconds. How many seconds? 10 to 30 seconds எதை வாஷ் பண்ணுவாங்க? ethanol or alcohol. Okay, next rinse in distilled water. திருப்பி என்ன செஞ்சிருவாங்க? again rinse in distilled water வச்சு வாஷ் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. So next add the staining. The stain name saffronin. The saffron is another one stain. Stain na the color, saffron color is look like orange color மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த stain ஆட் பண்ணுவாங்க. Saffron stain added for 30 to 60 seconds. அப்படியே அந்த observation வச்சிருவாங்க. Next the rinse in the distilled water. Again அது அப்படியே rinse பண்றதா என்ன செய்ய அப்படியே அது வந்து மேல அப்படியே ஊத்தி விட்டுருவாங்க கழுவுறது மாதிரி. இது washing method. Rinse in distilled water. So last observe the under microscope. We can't see over the naked eye. Naked eye என்ன செய்ய முடியாது, பார்க்க முடியாது. So it can be under the microscope வழியா தான் observe under the microscope ல வச்சு பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா some bacteria look like a, for example this is slide. Some bacteria look like a orange color, some violet purple color. Some bacteria purple color, some bacteria purple color is here. Gram positive bacteria, gram positive bacteria. Okay, some bacteria is here orange color. This is gram negative bacteria. Gram negative bacteria. The test is very important. First detect the bacteria test, very important for the detection of any diseases. First ஒரு disease கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி first என்ன செய்வாங்க அப்படினா which type of bacteria அப்படிங்கிறது is very important. gram positive bacteria or gram negative bacteria. Okay, what is the method? The main is used to differentiate the two large groups. Okay, what is the two large groups? Gram positive and gram positive. Okay, before bacterial based on the different constitution of cell wall. And the cell wall also தான் different பண்ணுவாங்க. For example, gram positive bacteria cell wall is very thick shaped. Okay, so compared to the gram negative bacteria cell wall is very thin shaped. அது ரொம்ப thin-ஆ இருக்கும், இது ரொம்ப thick-ஆ இருக்கும். இதுதான் அதோட main difference. Okay, what is the color of the gram positive bacteria is a crystal violet, அதாவது purple color bacteria. Okay, so next one, gram negative bacteria is color orange color. Okay, so it look like the pink, the orange mari present irukada gram negative bacteria color. Okay, this is a pink color. Okay, this is a gram staining procedure. The first, prepare a small bacterial culture, snare the bacteria snare பண்ணிட்டு strain of crystal violet strain is very important for 30 seconds. Next, rinse in the distilled water. Okay, 2 seconds. Next, you have to add the gram iodine for 1 minute. Next, rinse in the distilled water. Also in the 95% of ethanol or alcohol. Okay, rinse in the distilled water. Next, add the stained saffron. The saffron stain is look like a orange color. Okay, rinse in the next in the distilled water. Next, observe the under microscope. Some bacteria are in orange color, some bacteria in purple color. Okay, the purple color bacteria represent the gram positive, the orange color bacteria represent the gram negative types. Okay, so next topic, next differences between the gram positive and gram negative. First, cell wall. Okay, the cell wall, that is compared, already I told, compared to the gram negative bacteria, gram positive cell wall, there is very thick cell wall is present. Okay, the size. Next, the gram negative bacteria, this layer, the thin layer is compared to the gram positive, very thin layer is present. Next, rigidity of the cell. So what is the meaning of rigidity? The rigidity to the presence of peptidoglycan. And the விரைப்பு தன்மைன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அது எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா அந்த விரைப்பு, it is a presence of peptidoglycan is present on the gram positive bacteria. Gram positive அப்படின்னா என்ன present ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னா peptidoglycan is present. So next one, it is compared to the gram negative bacteria, elastic due to presence of lipoprotein and polysaccharide. Elastic presence of lipoprotein and polysaccharide. Lipoprotein is present in gram negative type. Gram negative type of bacteria. So next one, chemical composition of bacteria. It's a gram positive bacteria, peptidoglycan is present in 80% and polysaccharide present in next 20%. Next one, tetrax acid is present. So next one, the gram negative bacteria chemical composition, peptidoglycan and polysaccharide and lipoprotein tectonic is present. Okay, lipoprotein is present. So next one, outer membrane, gram positive bacteria outer membrane present, but gram negative bacteria outer membrane absent. Okay, so next one, periplasmic space. And the space means அதாவது compared to the space ரெண்டு பாக்டீரியா கடல ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கும், அந்த ஸ்பேஸ் periplasmic space வந்து gram positive bacteria absent. So gram negative bacteria present ஆயிருக்கும். Next, susceptibility to penicillin. And the penicillin susceptibility இருக்குமா அப்படின்னா highly susceptible to gram positive bacteria. What is penicillin? Penicillin is one of the antibiotic. Okay, penicillin was discovered by penicillin is one of the fungus. Okay, it is prepared from Penicillium notatum. Alexander Fleming is a scientist. Okay, discovered by Alexander Fleming. Okay, next one is highly susceptible, but gram negative bacteria it is low susceptible. Next one, nutritional requirement is relatively complex. Nutritional requirements already told, virus grow only in living cells, but bacteria grow in culture medium. And எந்த culture medium bacteria நம்ம ஈஸியா grow பண்ண முடியும், but virus grow only living cells. So this type of bacteria, gram-positive bacteria, is a relatively complex type of bacteria. But relatively compared to the gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, it is very simple, relatively simple type. So next one, flagella. What is the meaning of flagella? The outer covering of bacteria that is called, for example, this small hair-like structure present on the outer surface, this is called flagella. Okay, this is flagella. So what is the use of the flagella? Some motile type of bacteria also present and non-motile type bacteria also present. The motile type of bacteria, what is the use of the flagella? It is involved in the process of locomotion. What is the meaning of locomotion? It moves from one place to another place, that is called locomotion. The locomotion process la involved ஆகுறதா the flagella helpful ஆகும். It is a small hair-like structure or tail-like structure. Okay. So the flagella contain two basal rings present. So gram-negative bacteria contain 4 basal rings. Okay. 4 basal body rings are present. Next one, lipid and lipoprotein in gram-positive bacteria is very low. Okay, so next one, the lipid and lipoprotein in gram-negative bacteria is very high. Compared to gram-positive is very higher present are lipid, lipoprotein. What is the meaning of lipoprotein? For example, normal bacterial cell wall is surrounded by lipoprotein. Okay, it is made up of lipoprotein. Lipoprotein is very low in gram-negative type of bacteria. Compared to the gram-positive bacteria is very high. Okay, so next one, it is a lipopolysaccharide. What is the meaning of lipopolysaccharide? The cell wall is surrounded by some gelatinous substance is called lipopolysaccharide. Lipopolysaccharide is absent in gram-positive bacteria. So it is present in gram-negative bacteria. These are the main difference between the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. So okay, do you understand the gram-positive bacteria and gram-bacteria? What is the main characteristic? Cell wall, chemical composition, outer membrane, nutritional requirement, flagella type, and lipid and lipopolysaccharide and lipoprotein also totally different from one to another one. Gram-positive to gram-negative different. Okay. Okay students, do you understand the gram-positive and gram-negative differentiation? So next topic, economic importance of bacteria. So all bacteria are not harmful. Okay. All bacteria are not, எல்லா bacteria harmful கிடையாது. Some useful bacteria நிறைய இருக்குது. What are the main useful bacteria? For example, the curd formation. The curd formation is here. The bacteria named Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus bacteria involved in the curd formation. What is curd? The thick, the பால் பார்த்திருக்கோம்ல. For example, the milk. What is the milk? Milk la enna sugar present ஆயிருக்கும்னா it is a sugar name lactose. The milk la sugar name lactose. The lactose sugar is converted to lactic acid. The lactose sugar is converted to lactic acid. The help of the bacteria name Lactobacillus. Bacteria name Lactobacillus. Okay, the bacteria is converted to lactose. This is one kind of sugar. Any sugar is present. For example, sucrose, fructose, fruits like fructose. Okay, so glucose is normal sugar. So next one, sucrose. Sucrose is the canned sugar. Lactose is a milk sugar that is called lactose milk sugar. Okay, galactose number sugar நிறைய இருக்கும். So milk la present irukka sugar name lactose is a milk sugar. The lactose is converted to lactic acid. Okay, the lactose is a one kind of sugar. The sugar, this type of sugar is converted to lactic acid with the help of the bacteria named Lactobacillus. So the milk is milk ரொம்ப thick, is converted to thick forming, that is called curd அப்படினு சொல்றோம். So beneficial bacteria நிறைய இருக்கு. What are the beneficial bacteria? Example, first one Lactobacillus. So next one, what are the beneficial aspect அப்படினு பார்த்தோம்னா first one, ammonification. What is the meaning of ammonification? So convert the complex protein in the dead bodies, plant and animals, it easily which is converted to ammonium salt. For example, எல்லாமே வந்து convert the complex protein, நிறைய complex protein நம்ம உடம்புல இருக்கும். So எல்லாமே plant and animals வந்து இறந்த உடனே is converted to என்னவா மாறும்? ammonium salt with the help of the bacteria named Bacillus ramosus and Bacillus myotis. Okay. So next one, nitrification process. The nitrogen is very important for the plant growth. Okay, so convert the ammonium salt into nitrate. என்னவா மாத்தோம் அப்படினா convert the ammonium salt into nitrate nitrite என்னவா மாத்தணும்? So it's converted to nitrate. What is the main bacteria அப்படினா it is a nitrous foster, another one nitrosome. What is the bacteria name? Nitrosome. booster and nitrosomonas. Okay, it's convert the nitrite to nitrate abhi maathom. So next one, nitrogen fixation. What is the meaning of nitrogen? Biological nitrogen fixation padichirupom. The leguminous plant and pea plant, the root nodules, which is very very helpful for the nitrogen fixation process. What is the meaning of root nodules? For example, this is root nodules. The mari root la present irukkudiya small round like structures called root nodules. Okay, the idhula irukkudiya bacteria name enna acidobacter or clostridium bacteria. What is the use of the acidobacter? This is a symbiotic bacteria. What is the meaning of symbiotic relationship? Both benefit from each other, that is called symbiotic relationship. Okay, rendume benefit ah irukum, idha symbiotic bacteria. For example, the bacteria name acidobacter, clostridium, rhizobium bacteria. Root nodule pea plant la present irukkudiya bacteria name rhizobium. The bacteria name, the rhizobium bacteria is convert the atmospheric nitrogen. Navu enna maathum nitrate is nitrogen ah maathum, converting the atmospheric nitrogen into organic nitrogen. Organic nitrogen is very very helpful to plant. So next one, the nitrogen compound are also indicated, so also oxidized. So next, and use the activity of bacteria and increase the nitrogen fertility. What is the meaning of increase the fertility of the soil? What is the meaning of fertility? Ability to reproduce, that is called fertility. Abina the soil valamanada maathu, increase the soil fertility. Okay, soil oda valatha maathuradhu enna bacteria? Nitrogen fixation. The bacteria name rhizobium, clostridium, another one acidobacter bacteria. Okay, so next one, antibiotics. What is the antibiotic? Antibiotics are resistant. நமக்கு வந்து ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் பவரை கொடுக்கறதா இது ஆன்டிபயோட்டிக் சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ வாட் ஆர் ஆன்டிபயோட்டிக்ஸ் நேம்? டாக்டர்கிட்ட போனாலே ஒரு ஆன்டிபயோட்டிக் எடுத்துக்கங்கன்னு சொல்லுவார். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஸ்ட்ரெப்டோமைசின், எரித்ரோமைசின், குளோரோமைசின், ஓகே, பாக்டீரியோசின் அண்ட் பாலிமெக்சின் name. First one, the streptomycin, Streptomyces gistus. So next one, Streptomyces aureoficans. So what is the use of the first bacteria? It is to cure the infections. Okay, meningitis na adha, for example brain la vandu edha weak irukku, and moolayila orai weak irukadha meningitis solluvom. So next one, bacteria Aromycin is used to the medicine for the medicine for the eye defect. So next you could the next bacteria name Streptococcus venezuelae. It is a cure the typhoid fever. Typhoid or bacteria name the Salmonella typhi. The bacteria name Salmonella typhi. The bacteria name Salmonella typhi. The bacteria is caused by the disease typhoid. The test name and the viral test solvanga. So okay, so next one, next it cure the typhoid fever. Next bacteriazine, it is a Bacillus liquoriformis. It is used for the treat syphilis. Syphilis is one kind of the sexual disease. Okay, what is the meaning of sexual disease? Means the sex contact from one person to another person. Sexual disease is to spread from one person to another person. Contact person another one contact person easy on the spread of it is a communicable disease. Syphilis disease is one of the sex disease. Next one, polymyxin is a Bacillus polymyxina. It has some bacterial disease, others common bacterial disease antibiotics or the name. So next one, industrial uses. Next industrial uses அப்படினா இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல்ல some bacteria யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. என்ன bacteria அப்படினா for example lactic acid, lactobacillus, okay, but lactobacillus bulginus. The bacteria convert the milk sugar into lactose. Already I told, bacteria milk la enna sugar present aayirukku? Lactose sugar. The lactose is converted to lactic acid ah maatradha and lactobacillus அப்படிங்கற bacteria. So next one, butter. Okay, so butter la pathina lenocostatic bacteria oda name is convert the milk into butter, cheese and curd. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி மாத்துறதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது. So next one, cheese-க்கான bacteria. So next curd, lactobacillus lactis. Next yogurt-na lactobacillus bacillus. Vinegar அப்படினா acidic acid பார்த்திருப்போம். acidic acid பண்ண நிறைய சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட்ல நீ வினிகர்னு ஒரு வாங்கிருப்போம். What is vinegar? Nothing but it is a citric acid தான். கெமிக்கலா பிரிக்கறது தான் வினிகர் அப்படினு சொல்லக்கூடியது. ஓகே, it is acidic acid. Acitrobacter acidity. The bacteria name Acitrobacter acidicங்கிற bacteria. This bacteria oxidize the alcohol, okay, obtained from the vinegar. அது வந்து அவங்க vinegar prepare பண்றாங்க இந்த bacteriaல இருந்து. So next one, Clostridium acetabulum, the bacteria. So what is the main issue is involved in the fermentation activity. What is the meaning of fermentation na? அதாவது நொதித்தல் ப்ராசஸ் சொல்லுவாங்க, வித்தவுட் anaerobic ப்ராசஸில் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறது. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ரெட்டிங் ஆஃப் ஃபைபர், இந்த பாக்டீரியா நேம் கிளாஸ்ட்ரிடியம் டெரிட்டியம். இந்த ஃபைபர் யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்களே, இந்த நார் எடுக்கிறாங்கல்ல, செப்பரேட் பண்ணுறாங்கல்ல, ஸோ அதில் யூஸ் ஆகிறது தான், பிளான்ட்லேருந்து நார் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகிறது தான் இந்த பாக்டீரியா. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் விட்டமின்ஸ் எசர்சியா கோலை அண்ட் கிளாஸ்ட்ரிடியம் அசிடோபிலிசியம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நார்மலாக எசர்சியா கோலை பாக்டீரியா live in human intestine. நம்மளோட இன்டெஸ்டைனில் வந்து என்ன ப்ரெசென்ட்டாக இருக்கும் பாக்டீரியா, இந்த ஈகோலை எசர்சியா கோலை, தட் இஸ் கால் ஈகோலை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. எசர்சியா கோலை ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். they help in for the digestion process. What is digestion? Larger food molecules is converted to small molecule, that is called digestion. digestion எது ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்? இந்த பாக்டீரியாவோட நேம் எசர்சியா கோலை பாக்டீரியா. Okay, so next one, next bacteria Escherichia coli, another one bacteria Clostridium, vitamin B12 prepared by the vitamin B12 வந்து நமக்கு வந்து கொடுக்கக்கூடிய பாக்டீரியா. So next one carrying the tea and tobacco, it is a Micrococcus canticans Bacillus megatherium, the special flavor and aroma for the tobacco of the fermentation. இது என்ன பாக்டீரியா, அந்த டேஸ்ட், அந்த ஸ்பெஷல் அந்த ஸ்மெல்லுக்கும் டேஸ்ட்டுக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய பாக்டீரியா இது அப்படின்னா இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் மைக்ரோகாக்கஸ் canticans and Bacillus megatherium அப்படிங்கிற பாக்டீரியா யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ ஹார்ம்ஃபுல் பாக்டீரியா மட்டும் நினச்சிடக்கூடாது. ஸோ all bacteria are not harmful. Okay, many beneficial bacteria நிறைய இருக்குது. What are the type of the beneficial aspect? First one, soil fertility. So increase the soil fertility in some bacteria. The bacteria name Bacillus acidobacter and Clostridium. Okay, so next one Rhizobium bacteria. Next one antibiotics name streptomycin, erythromycin, okay, bactrimycin, ariomycin, the bacteria name. So next one industrial classes on the what is industrial classes? Lactic acid preparation, butter preparation, ghee preparation and curd preparation, okay, and alcohol and some alcohol fermentation process, some vinegar preparation. What is vinegar? It is nothing but acetic acid. Next vitamin preparation. Next carrying the tea and tobacco. Tobacco எதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்றாங்கன்னா, tobacco புகையிலை, அந்த ஸ்மெல்லுக்காக உள்ள பாக்டீரியா வந்து ஃபெர்மெண்டேஷன் ப்ராசஸ்ல பண்ணி பண்றதா இந்த டைப் ஆஃப் பாக்டீரியா. This is the economic importance of bacteria. Okay, what to learn today students? First we see the gram strain. What is a gram staining? The procedure. What is gram staining? Gram staining procedure பார்த்தோம். Okay, next what is the economic importance of bacteria? Okay, today homework, explain the gram staining procedure. Explain today homework, Ayman. Explain gram staining procedure. Gram staining. Thank you students.